Hey, it's Rob from Top Affiliate Marketing Program. Today I would like to talk to you about music affiliate programs and how you can make money with music. I personally love music and there are many people who do, and if you're one of the people who love music, you may want to think about making money with music with affiliate programs. And the music industry is huge. People listen to music all the time, and there are many um, affiliate programs out there. I picked what I thought were five of about the best affiliate programs. As always, I wanted to discuss what you should be looking at, the duration of the cookies. You're looking for 30 days or more. Specifically, what the affiliate program offers, the tools that they provide, which are generally they're all about the same. The commission rates are important. You want to get at least 7%, if not higher. The application process and payment terms are basically the same as well. So what are music affiliate programs? Well, basically they're just programs where you can promote music. You get a percentage of the sale when you join and promote it. And it's usually anywhere from 6 or 7% up to whatever, and anything higher than I'd say 10% is excellent. So what can affiliate marketers promote? Well, they can promote anything because anything in this world has an affiliate program that you can promote. In this particular case, people are looking for ways or products to enjoy or better their taste of music. So because music is so popular, people are willing to spend money on their music enjoyment. So all you want to do is you want to help solve the problem that in this case, hungry listener is looking for, to make their music experience better than it was. So I want to start out with FX Sound. They are really high on sound quality, as is any music program should be. They aim to provide the highest resolution audio to everyone. And they've been doing this for over 20 years, providing their software for over 100,000 people in the world. They develop software for music, TV, video games, many things. And their goal is to improve the quality sound for any hardware for Windows as well. So as you can see here, you can boost the volume and bass by twice what it is. You can customize your audio. And the fact of the matter is that most people do not have studio quality audio hardware. And that's what FX Sound software does. It gives you access to high resolution sound quality with any hardware. And they have additional tools to customize your listener experience. The commission rate here is 10%, which is very good. Auto deposit and check is typical. Cookie duration is 3 times the normal. Anybody comes back in 90 days, if they haven't bought the first time and they buy, you get credit for it. And I'll just mention this once, because all of these programs are managed by Share a Sale. You would sign up, apply for the account, set up your network, and enter all your information. The marketing material is basically the same with each program, and you can join the FX Sound program here. Next up is Loog Guitars, great for kids, really good, easy peasy. Kids can learn to play, on guitars at any age, and they make it an easier and faster process because they only have 3-string guitars, and kids can play right from the start, and it gives them a better attitude. And eventually it makes it easier to go to a 6-string guitar because of the way they have this set up. The crossover is much easier. So it makes it fun and easy to learn for kids. And that's a good thing because, the younger kids start with music, I feel the better off they are later on in life, because music is a wonderful thing. But you can make money, with Loog Guitars. They partnered up with lessonface.com. That makes live video lessons possible, so you don't need an actual teacher in front of you, which is a big plus here. The commission rate is 10%, auto deposit and check, cookie duration 30 days typical. Again, share sale, marketing material, and you can join Loog Guitars affiliate program here. Next up is Tribit. They were founded by professional designers and sound engineers, and again, they're after expert design and top quality music. Quality is as important as it could be when it comes to music, because when you're listening to music, I know I do, I want to hear a crisp, balanced sound, because it makes a difference, and they provide extraordinary quality to any of your music players that you may have. You can see pictures of some of them here. So that's about it with this program. Again, their commission rate is 10%, auto deposit check. The cookie duration here is phenomenal. It's unlimited, never expires. Somebody comes, they don't buy anything, they come back a year later, cookie doesn't expire. It's a win-win situation here, both with the commission rate and the cookie duration. And again, you would sign up and you can join the Tribit affiliate program here. Now, I wanted to mention this briefly, and I will mention it at the end. This is the most important thing. You need a website to promote these affiliate programs, because you cannot promote them without a website, and you will not get approved for the affiliate programs without a website. So it's very important that you click this Get Started Now and sign up to learn this 4-step process. Okay, next up is Angel's Horn. This is a unique company because it brings me back to when I was growing up. And I just want to scroll down here to show you these turntables. That's how I grew up with music. We didn't have what we had today. We'll go through cassettes, 8-track tapes, digital players. This was just the way it was back then. Everything is professionalized and digitalized now. So these are around, and it's another great way to promote music. The technology is classic, and I even have one of these myself. But they want to provide the best quality they can, record playing solutions, and the turntables on these records, the sound is just awesome. It really is awesome. So this would be another program I think that's excellent to sign up for, where you can make money. And every time you sell something, commission would be $25, 30 days. The share sale program, and you can join Angel's Horn affiliate program here. Last on the list, number 5, is the virtual sheet music. It was created for people who love music, and they wanted to be able to provide a way to find sheet music quickly. You can download from your computer to your computer from their website whatever titles that are displayed. You can enjoy the MP3 files or audio files. And virtual sheet music has more than 20,000 users each day, and it's the leading source for classical sheet music downloads. They do have any kind of music in any year, any time frame, but classical is specialty. So this is a great way to make money too. And as you can see here, some of the categories and instruments. A little bit more about the affiliate program here. A little more in detail as to what I just went over. The commission rate's 25%. You're not going to get much higher than that. That's excellent. Cookie duration's 3 times what it normally would be, of 30 days. It's 90 days. And again, it's managed by ShareASale, and you can join virtual sheet music program here. Now I wanted to briefly just touch on this. When you're searching for affiliate programs in your niche, in this case it's music, you go to Google, type in music plus the affiliate programs, and this is just a few of them. They will come up, and that's how you find your affiliate programs. You got to take your time. You want to make sure they have a decent commission payout, provide testimonials that are solid, and help solve the problem of the buyer in that particular niche. Don't promote bad products. That's not the way to get started. So you have to apply to any program before you can promote the product. But like I said before briefly, you need to build a website first. And you can do, with the website, you can do any niche you want. You can start by clicking Get Started Now down here. This is the best program for building a website in 4 steps that you can find. All right, and I would get started looking at this, and if music is your niche, then get started. You can start promoting music. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.